In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupons with Kroger Boost. We will walk through each action so you can see your savings apply without extra effort. Start by signing in to your Kroger account. On the sign-in screen, enter your email and your password, then tap the Sign In button. Once you are signed in, the top of the page shows your name or initial, which confirms the account is active. Using the right account matters because your coupons and Boost benefits are tied to this login, not the device. With that ready, click Profile and then tap Savings or Digital Coupons. The Profile option is usually near the top of the page where you see your account details. When you tap Savings or Digital Coupons, Kroger loads a page that focuses only on current offers. You should now see tabs, filters, or sections related to available deals, which tells you are in the right spot for coupon management. From there, browse or search for coupons. You can scroll through the list to see featured offers or use the search box if you have a specific brand or product in mind. Filters such as category or department help narrow things down when the list feels long. As you move, you will notice each coupon shows the discount amount, the item description, and the expiration date, so you can quickly decide which ones match your usual shopping list. Next up, tap Clip on the coupons you want. Each coupon tile has a clip button, usually near the bottom. Once you tap Clip, the button often changes to say Clipped or becomes grayed out, and that visual change confirms it is now linked to your account. A quick tip here, clipping a coupon does not purchase anything yet. It simply stores the offer on your Kroger account so it can apply automatically later. After that, shop in-store using your shopper's card or shop online while signed in. In the store, scan your physical card or enter your alternate ID at checkout so the system recognizes your account. When shopping online, make sure your name still appears at the top of the site, which confirms you remain signed in and your clipped coupons are active for that order. Now go to checkout. In-store, this is when you scan your items and move to the payment screen. Online, this is the checkout button that takes you through delivery or pickup details and payment selection. As you progress, you should see a summary area where discounts and coupons will appear. At this point, verify the clipped coupons are applied automatically. Watch the receipt or order summary for lines that show each discount amount under promotions or savings. If an expected coupon is missing, double-check that you bought the correct brand, size, and quantity listed on that coupon, since Kroger only applies offers when those product rules match. Finally, complete your purchase. Confirm your payment, finish the transaction, and your final total should already include all eligible coupon savings. You just learned how to clip Kroger digital coupons with Boost and have them automatically apply to your order. So if this helped you save a little, give it a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Kroger tips.